do you remember the first sport you played? Yung parang
Oh,
ganun, like the
definitely.
first time
Yeah.
you held that. May ganung moment.
Honestly, that's like one of the siguro. Kasi I would hear like a lot of parents ask my parents, ano ba ginawa nyo? Bakit like yung tatlo nyo, grabe athletes? Like, you know, you're so fortunate. And I obviously am very fortunate to be able to be raised by such amazing people, amazing athletes. And to be surrounded by them every day. Parang sobrang blessed talaga ako. But again, going back to that, parang my parents will just tell them na sport kasi, it will, kumbaga, if a person loves to do something, and kahit hindi sports pag mahal mo, gagawin mo lahat to do it. So parang yun yung biggest lesson siguro from the beginning na in-instill sa amin ng parents namin. Na if you wanna do something, no matter what it is, you have to love it. You have to embrace both the good and the bad things about that specific thing that you do. So for us, it became volleyball. I started badminton, I was 7. Tapos, before that, kasi parang nakakaya, trinay ko talaga mag-theater, acting na bata ako.
Side quest.
Sabi nung, kasi nga, only girl ako. Tapos I had 2 older brothers na, bata pa lang sila, they already knew they wanted to be athletes. Nag-basketball agad yung si Kiefer, my eldest, and then si Kuya 30, the second one. Parang alam nila na inclined sila sa sports.
Okay.
Yeah. So yung mom ko eventually sa akin, siguro just to try different, not sports, but other fields. But I started with ballet. Siguro kung may grace ako in my, kung graceful ba ako, ganyan. No.
Wala
Wala akong grace. A little bit lang. Pero I also tried theater arts, yung mga acting. Medyo ako, incident. I was younger. Kwento lang. Actually, we have it on video. I'll try to ask for the video.
Oh
yung
my
mga
God!
home VHS.
Family videos, okay.
So yun, yung final performance namin, I was a butterfly. And then may bumblebee na little kid, you know. Syempre, kids lahat mga 4, 5 years old. Kinukulit niya yung antenna ko and yung wings ko.
Ginalit si
the
butterfly.
stage.
Okay.
So ako, very Danny. Nag-flying kick ako. So, yeah.
Kasi nga nagpa-fly ang butterfly. So, flying kick.
Sa classmate ko na katabi ko, I'm so sorry again if you remember me, ako yung butterfly na katabi mo.
A public
sorry,
apology.
yes.
Kung may home video din kayo, nagulat kayo sino yung sumipa. Kung nasipa kayo before, comment kayo dito sa episode na to.
So that's when, pero, blessing in disguise, that's when my mom knew, okay, athlete siya.
Ayun.
So,
At least may magandang nangyari.
Doon yun na na-realize, sige, trinay niya naman.
Yes.
So, that's when I fell in love with badminton and eventually with volleyball.
So, patunay to na everything happens for a reason. May nasipa man, nalaman na gustong mag-sports. Yes.
Kung wala dahil dun sa classmate ko na yun, wala ako dito.
Tama. Oo, wala tayong Danny Ravena kung wala yung classmate.
Yes. It's because
Shout out to the classmate.
Please with that apology as well. So, you first fell in love with badminton, right? But then, eventually, kasi your parents were basketball player,
and
I was a
volleyball,
basketball and volleyball player.
Yes.
Did you ever have that pressure to also like follow in their footsteps and like, do what they did?
Definitely. And my mom kasi, my mom and dad, they both represented the country. So they both played for the Philippine team. My dad in basketball, mom volleyball. That's how they met. Kasi, di ba, very
nasa sports ang true love.
Di ba, parang after daw, in Rizal Memorial pa, after ng basketball training, volleyball. And then my dad would wait for volleyball training to end. Nililigaw. Kinikilig na naman yung mommy ko dito.
Okay.
Pero yun, that's how they met. So eventually, like, inevitable talaga na, siguro to others, inevitable na maging athletes kami. But again, my parents never really forced us into it. It was me falling in love with the sport by watching it. Even though I was in badminton, my mom would bring me to volleyball games. And then, tatabi niya lang ako, ganyan. And I would just watch. And
walang nangyaring like question
walang force,
na, hello, gusto mo ba Walang ganun
wala talaga. And she was really like supportive with me sa badminton, like full on. Kasi in badminton, solo training So you usually it's just me and the coach and one other player. So mga ganun. And then growing up, yun nga, nakikita ko yung siblings ko, panay teammates, ang dami nila. So para as a kid, ang saya kasi ang dami nila. Para sila nagpi-field trip every day, diba? So, yun siguro yung naisip ko, gusto ko i-try yung volleyball. And then my mom was full on, nagulat lang siya like, what? Tapos bilang, okay, sige, go. Let's go. Parang nagulat lang siya, mga first 10 seconds, parang, what? Grabe na yung training mo, ganyan. Okay, sige, let's go. Like, biglang naging super like supportive siya. Put me in all clinics, every coach na kilala
Very
niya.
supportive.
Nagtuloy-tuloy. Kasi as a 13-year-old girl, parang medyo late na yun eh. In a sense, like, a lot of young kids now start their sport way younger than I did. So medyo late na. So my mom really told me na, double time ka. Kasi naghahabol ka eh. Kasi you want to change. So, real talk na kailangan mo talaga mag-extra work. So, ever since then, parang na-instill na rin sa amin na, again, if you want something, you really have to work hard for it.
Iba talaga yung discipline kapag yung background is sports, no? Yeah. 'Di ba? Mostly nababasa ko lang kasi hindi naman ganoon yung pamilya ko, 'di ba? So normally mababasa ko lang siya na like, ganito pala kapag from a sporty family. And then of course, na-mention mo na rin yung brothers mo, your mom and dad, and we are aware of the name. Talagang ang dami na nilang naambag sa industry ng sports. And you are the youngest.
Yes.
So how is it like growing up na baka hindi mo pa alam kunwari anong gusto mong gawin, you're just enjoying childhood, pero may expectation na sa'yo kasi,
Or assumptions.
kapatid siya ni
yes.
Ravenna, anak siya ni Ravenna. How was it like? Meron ka bang moment din before na, bakit kilala nila yung pamilya ko? Bakit aware sila? May mga ganun ba?
For sure. Siguro in high school, I was like, I knew na, syempre, my family was sport athletes. So, no matter, kumbaga, if in a basketball game, kilala sila. In a volleyball game, kilala yung mom ko. So parang ako, okay, it's pretty big. But at the same time, wala pa siguro siya sa yung depth nung, kumbaga yung naiambag nila sa field of sport na they're in. Wala pa siya sa akin eh. Na parang medyo chill pa ako na, yung kapatid.
Normal lang. Kilala lang siya, magaling siya. Okay.
Sila, like, Philippine team sila since they were 16 sila, my brothers. Parang to me, part lang sila ng team. But then looking back now, like,
whoa,
they were pretty big since like the very beginning. And I remember I would used to really hate it when they would say, Ravenna ako. Diba? Nung bata ko parang,
kasi may certain pressure and expectation na agad.
Nila, kapatid mo si Parang I hated that. Kasi sa utak ko parang, sila na naman. Yung parang, alam mo yun, that's the first thing they say when they see me. It's not, Danny. Parang sila, kapatid mo si, anak ka ni, si, ganyan. So parang, simula nung bata ko, parang, yun yung nasa head ko. Parang, hala, sila na naman, guys.
May nakadikit agad
diba?
sa
It's
pangalan
always
mo.
like that. And my perspective towards it was more of like, what can I do to be able to like, not associate myself with them? Parang yun yung nasa utak ko. Ayoko maging Ravenna in a sense.
If this episode made you reflect on your own life decisions, then maybe it's time to ask yourself the same question. Yung mga choices mo, career moves, love life, big risks, or even those random impulsive decisions. Worth it ba talaga? If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to follow Worth It Ba for more real stories, honest reflections, and barkada-level real talk about life decisions. And if you have your own Worth It Ba moment, share it with us in the comments. Because at the end of the day, lahat tayo may decisions na pinagdaanan. And every choice comes with a story. Follow Worth It Ba for more episodes.